Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on this MAVIC Mini, the everyday fly cam. It's a drone. We're gonna be unboxing this drone on camera so you guys can see. We got a drone. Well, this is drone number 2, but we got a drone. I just wanted to share with you what comes with this kit so you guys can see what's inside if you guys are interested to get it someday. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So here, so this is the case. Ooh, this is how it's set up. This is the drone. So here we have the remote. This is the remote. It comes with the remote. This is the drone itself, and with this drone, the good thing is it weighs under 250 grams, which is 249 grams. So let me show you guys everything else that came in the package before I go about showing you how this drone works. Also, it comes with the charging hub. I think this is the charging hub. Let me guess. Yep, charging hub, which has 3 sections for 3 chargers. The charging hub, you could also use this for a case for the charger so that you don't lose them. Okay, so it also comes with charging cable. I think it's 2 charging cables. Let me see. Yes, 2 charging cables. It comes with, oh, these are the data cable. So these cables, these are the data cable that you use to connect from the remote to our phone. Like you have one for like iPhone and Android, and you know, which I have an iPhone, so I'll be using the iPhone cable. This right here, this is the mini screwdriver. You know, you always need a screwdriver to do any little thing that you have to do, anything you have to screw on to this drone. So it's always good to have a little mini screwdriver. Also, these are extra control sticks for the remotes. Like that. Yes. We have another small box. Let's see what's inside this box. Oh, these are the propellers. Yeah, these are like the extra propellers. I'm just gonna open one of them so you could see what I'm talking about. Oh man, this well seal up. This well seal up. Let me bring a close-up so you guys could see what I'm talking about. Can you see it, Mr. Krabs? Can you see it, Mr. Krabs? But it's so amazing that it comes with this little case, like a little travel case. This is awesome. This is a real life kit. All right, what else come in the box? Oh, these are the prop guards. Alright, these are the prop guards. Comes with 2 just showing you guys what comes in the box first before we go outside to flight and show you guys. Oh, this is the charger. So it comes with the charger, and also these are just like booklets just to get a better understanding of what to do and how to set up your drone. This is really cool. I feel like this is cooler than the first one. I never showed you guys the first drone, but I think this one is way cooler. These are the mini accessories. This is amazing. The first drone only came with 1 battery. This one comes with 3. If you buy the kit, it's 3 batteries. I guess if you just buy the drone by itself, it only comes with 1 battery, and then you have to go and buy 2 extra batteries. And trust me, you're gonna need the extra batteries. Once you get into flying the drone, you're gonna want to buy extra batteries because you're enjoying it so much, and you know the battery life is not like a phone battery life. It's completely different. Yeah, so you're gonna want the extra batteries, which is awesome. I just wanted to show you guys what exactly came in the box before we start flying, so stay tuned for that.
This is the battery bank right here. This is where all 3 batteries come in. It also acts as a battery bank, meaning it doesn't just charge your drone batteries. You could actually charge your smartphone or other stuff.
Oh, we can charge smartphone though?
Yeah, you just plug the cable for your phone in here, and you charge whatever you want to charge. And then when you want to charge this actual battery bank, is what I call it, you just plug it in.
A charger hub.
A charger hub, whatever. You just plug your thing in here, and that's where you charge the hub. I call it a battery bank. Yeah. So to check how much life is in your batteries, you just tap the power button on the side, and you see the lights blink. So it's letting you know that this one has the most charge, and this one doesn't have any charge, and this one is partially charged. There's a little clip right here that you just snap in and you pull the battery out. That little clip right here, so you see the batteries won't fall out.
So if you're at trouble, you can actually just keep the battery in here.
Yep, I think it sits right here, just like that. So it's a little traveling case, everything, and it comes with a little DJI little. This is actually called a transformer. People don't know that, but this is called. Nobody knows that. I'm just being a smartass. It's called a transformer. It transfers DC power to AC power, or AC to DC, whichever. That's a transformer. Nobody knows the right name for these. So as you can see, it's a brand new drone. This is not your typical drone. This is not your little cheap drone. As you see, it's brand new. We're just about to take this off. I had a drone before this, and it didn't came like this, where they were protecting everything. Like you see, they're protecting the camera cover. So we're taking all that stuff off. This drone, FAA regulations, you don't have to sign it up with the FAA because it only weighs 249 grams. So you don't gotta worry about the FAA or anything like that. That doesn't mean you still can fly it in restricted flight areas, but you don't gotta worry about it with the FAA because it's only 249 grams. And the way they tell you to open it is you should open the first legs first, or like that. Because if you try to open this one first, it won't. It's gonna stop you from opening. So you gotta open the first legs first, right here. And these are brushless motors. See these motors? They're brushless motors, meaning they don't get that hot. And then these one, you fold it out like that. Might have did that wrong, but you fold it out like that. See, they protect the prop guards, and that's your drone right there. DJI Mini, as small as your hand, right? So you know you got your sensors under here, and the cool thing about this drone is you could actually charge the battery while it's in the drone. So all you gotta do is, you got a little flip right here, you flip it up. You see the little thing right here? That's what's gonna connect you to the battery right there. Make sure you put it in the right way. So you got a little hook piece right there. Your battery just slides right in, and boom. Close it, you hear that little click. And if you're gonna charge the battery while it's in the drone, it has that little slot right here. Make sure you turn it the right way, and you plug it in right there. Like I said, make sure you put it the right way. It snaps in, and that's so you charge your battery while it's in the drone. If you tap the power button, you will see the lights illuminate, telling you that how much life you have in your battery. As you can see, this battery is fully charged. And then when you go to fly it, make sure you take off your little thing right here. It just snaps out. That's what covers your camera. As you can see, it has a little gimbal. That's why you get that accurate video with these. I think it goes up to 1080p and 280p. You have two versions. And this drone has sport mode, and then it has an eco mode where you can slow it down and get really cool shots. See, it says Mavic Mini right here. Also has a little landing light, so when it's coming down, yeah, that's it. So this is what your app's gonna look like right there. You're gonna see a couple apps out there, but that's the one, that little silver one. So your controller folds out like, you go under here, clip it, and it comes out. And you go here, clips it, and it comes out. And then these, you want to go up. One of them goes up first. Don't try to, you'll break it. So one of them goes up, and you push it forward like that. Those are your antennas. And the cool thing about these drones is when you get it, you're wondering where is your little joysticks. Your joysticks are under here. So you just pull it out, snap it, and it comes right out. And what you want to do is, you just put it here, you screw it in. Boom. Done. And you got one on the other side also, and boom, and that's your controller. Yeah, you know, you have to download the app. It's gonna prompt you on what you need to do. You know, you have to update it. It comes with a lot of like bug fixes and stuff like that. So you know, you could connect it to your aircraft, and it's gonna ask you which one do you have. DJI Mini 2, the DJI Air 2, and we have the Mavic Mini. Right? It's gonna tell you what you need to do. See, tells you the joysticks and how to start it up and all that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here and you're gonna plug this in. And you wanna make sure you look at it and plug it in the right way. It should snap right in like that. So what we're gonna do to connect the controller is you're gonna do a short tap and then a second tap, and you're gonna hold it. And you should hear that sound, and it's gonna keep beeping. It's gonna keep beeping until it actually connects to the drone. Same thing with the drone. You're gonna do a small tap on the power button, and then a long tap, then hold. I think the propellers should engage. Not saying they're gonna come on, but it should engage. So a small tap, and then a long tap, and there you go. See your propeller is coming on, your camera moving around. And then it's gonna keep blinking, and once that goes solid, then you know your controller is connected to your drone. So while it's connecting, guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna connect our phone. When it's brand new out the box, to pair it, you gotta tap this button and hold it for 4 seconds until you hear it beep, right? And then it's in pairing mode. As you can see the lights going right here, and then that's when you hit pair. You put it down, and as you can see, it started pairing. Once it pair, you don't have to do that again. Now it's pair. Once you see the camera come on, drone's paired. Right now it's gonna say unable to take off because of the GPS, because the drone senses that it's inside and there's no GPS connection. So but you could actually fly it inside. If you're gonna fly it inside, I would recommend the prop guards, because I actually flew my last drone inside the house and it wasn't a good idea not using your prop guard. So for like a $500 drone, you come pretty equipped. So you got your prop guards that you'd connect to the drone. What this does is it protects your props. If you're gonna fly a drone for the first time, I mean, yeah, you want to calibrate it once you go outside. We're not gonna do that right now, but once you go outside, you want to calibrate it, you know, to pick up those GPS sensors for the first time. But you have a return to home. And what you want to do is, no matter what, when you're gonna do return to home, you always want to set that at least, I would say, 79 meters, 80 meters. Meaning, when it's returning to home, no matter what, it will clear the highest object. It could be a house, it could be a tree, it could be an apartment complex, whatever it is. You always want to have that at a little distance, so it goes up really high and then it comes back to you. And then your max distance, you could leave that. As you can see, you could go all the way out to like 4,000, so you could go pretty far with this drone. So we're gonna leave that right now at 950, which is still a lot. Max altitude 120 is really your limit, because anything over 120, you know, you're kind of getting in dangerous territories of messing with the airspace, you know, of planes and stuff like that. It will tell you right there that, you know, 400 feet is the same as a 120 meters, so you don't want to go past that because you're violating the local laws. So let's bring that back down to 118. And then you have your control. Like I say, you have Cine Smooth or Cine Smooth, however you pronounce that, if you want to get some nice cool shots. And then you have your sport mode, where the drone's a little bit more agile, goes fast and all that stuff. And yeah, you could go around here and play around with it and, you know, do whatever pleases you. Like I said, to turn the drone on, all you want to do is slide your controllers out and down.
Take off.
And then, as you can see, your drone would come on, and it's letting you know your aircraft is in a warning zone. So that's cool. So we're gonna power it off. Right? You should hear it powered off. You should hear your motors go off, right? Said aircraft not connected anymore. And to fold it up, you always want to go with your lower arms first. You're gonna slide it like this, on there and over, and it should pop right on there like that. Right? And then these ones are gonna go just like that. Boom. 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 Boom.
Alright, so we're currently at a park and we're gonna show you guys. This is the part where we fly the drone.
Take off.
Yeah, that is clean.
Take time.
Look, it won't land. Guess why? Because it knows there's something there underneath it. Other drone, drop a drone. So all you have to do now, I hit that and just land it.
That was a smooth land.
Quick and agile.
How far you send it go? Or you put it the limit? That's us right there. As far. Yeah, bring it back down because I'm nervous.
I ready to return to home. I hit return home. Let's see what I thought. Battery lasts longer too. Oh, I see. It's not go up. Let's see how far. Alright, that's good. That's not bad, right? Like 60. We still can bring it on a little bit more.
I said 40.
Yeah.
Return to home. Oh, because it just dropped both funny?
No, because I mean, I don't want to land in that grass. You can see that land in that table.
Yeah. Yep. That's clean.
You see the thing with the drone, eh? The thing with the drone, no man. You're not fair to look on the screen you're not fair to worry about where your drone. You can just fly and make a drone go do your thing. And the battery lasts so long.
Yeah, it lasts longer than the other one. For sure.
So return to home.
Return to
you
home.
You will hear the beeping sound. Look on the camera right there. And you could always stop cancel. If you don't want it to land, you know, somewhere you don't want it to land. Once it comes home, it was very far and we're gonna return to home. The battery lasts is pretty long, so nowhere I hit cancel. See? I know we're gonna land it again. Camera is the most expensive part on this drone. You're really paying $500 for this damn camera. And you'll see why. So they send you a little protector and you have to slide it in the camera. Like you actually have to position the camera properly so it fits in there. Just try to get it right. And boom. And you'll hear it snapping. You gotta protect that camera. Very important.
I hope you guys got a lot of information and enjoyed this little video. So yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you could be notified when I post videos. Hope you guys got a lot of information from this video about this drone, this amazing drone. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.